When the bimetallic element in a fan limit switch is worn, the switch can fail to open or close reliably and cause overheating or fan cycling problems. A worn bimetallic element loses its calibrated spring effect and responds more slowly or inconsistently to temperature changes, so check for delayed fan on and fan off times by observing the sequence during a full heating cycle. Remove power and inspect the switch for visible corrosion, loosened terminals, or a burnt contact surface, and use a contact cleaner if minor oxidation is present, but do not rely on that as a long-term fix. Measure the switch operation with a basic continuity tester, while warming the element with a controlled heat source to confirm that closure and opening occur at the expected temperatures, and compare readings to the furnace manual or manufacturer specification. If the response is erratic or the switch never opens under heat, plan a replacement using a compatible fan limit control rated for the same voltage and temperature set points. Match mounting style and terminal layout to make installation straightforward. When replacing, turn off all power, label wires, and transfer wiring exactly as removed. Tighten terminals firmly but avoid over-tightening, and test operation through several heat cycles before restoring normal use. Keep a spare readily available if you manage multiple systems, and document the replacement date and model number so future maintenance is faster and parts are easier to source. Common mistakes include trying to calibrate an old bimetal by repeated dial adjustment instead of replacing it, which only masks drift and risks improper fan timing. Fix this by replacing the control with a matched unit. Another issue is assuming the problem is the fan motor rather than the limit switch, which wastes time and parts. Resolve this by checking the switch operation first with a continuity test, and by confirming proper heat exchanger temperature response. People also sometimes install a mismatched replacement that uses different set points or voltage, causing poor cycling or unsafe conditions. Avoid that by verifying ratings and physical compatibility before installation, and by consulting the furnace documentation when in doubt. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and to help contractors find work through our listings and project leads. We also host an active discussion community where members share real-world experience, troubleshooting tips, and recommendations on repairs and replacements.